So, you want to create a quiz in AWeber? Maybe to boost engagement, grow your email list, or segment your audience? Well, it's not as straightforward as you might hope. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it and whether AWeber is actually the best tool for the job. First, AWeber doesn't have a built-in quiz feature, so you'll need a workaround. The best way is by integrating third-party quiz builders like Typeform or Google Forms. You create the quiz externally, then link it in your AWeber emails or embed it on a landing page. Next, if you want to segment your audience based on quiz results, you'll need automation. In AWeber, this means setting up tags. For example, if someone selects a certain answer, they get tagged accordingly, which allows you to send them personalized follow-up emails. But this setup can feel clunky since AWeber isn't natively designed for quizzes. Another thing to consider is embedding. AWeber's landing page builder lets you add external quiz forms, but customization is limited. You might struggle with branding, styling, or mobile optimization compared to other platforms. Then there's analytics. AWeber provides basic email engagement stats, but if you want deep insights, like drop-off points or detailed response tracking, you'll be relying entirely on the quiz tool you integrate. That's a major limitation if you need in-depth data to optimize your funnel. So, while it's possible to create a quiz in AWeber, it's far from seamless. If quizzes are a key part of your strategy, you might want to consider a better solution. After testing multiple platforms myself, I found a much better alternative for building quizzes that integrate effortlessly with email marketing. If you want to check it out, I've linked the best free trial in the description, plus exclusive benefits that are only available through our link.